Hi, I'm Chef Carl, the Food Whisperer, and today we'll be doing knife safety and cutting vegetables and fruit.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
The first thing I want to do is show you, I should have mentioned knife safety is very important. And I wash my hands before I do any cooking or cutting, and I also sanitize the cutting board. That's why I don't wear gloves. If I do a catering event, I'll wear gloves. So you cut the pepper in half. Now I believe the male pepper has 3 lobes, and the female pepper has 4 lobes, and you'll see there's hardly any seeds in the male pepper. But when you cut open the female pepper, well, there's not a whole lot more, but there's usually more seeds. So I just take my thumb, pull this out. Now let me cut it. Whoa, it's wobbling. So maybe we have to cut this, turn it upside down. Now trim this pepper, don't throw that away. You're going to dice it. And you put your fingers here like a football player, and as I'm going, I'm actually pushing my fingers back with my thumb. And I'll show you that a little more. When we get into a zucchini squash, because I can run my fingers better. So again, this is the pitch I call, and that's always keep your fingers out of the line of fire. Same thing, you want it flat. Cut them as thin or as thick as you want. And there you go. Now I'll put these on the side because we don't need to cut 100 pounds of peppers. And again, I wipe down the more. I have a little sanitizer in here. The next thing I'm going to cut, again, wobbles. You want to cut it in half. Always keep your fingers away from the blade. Now what I'm going to do, again, is I put my fingers here, my thumb here, and as I'm going, I'm pushing the just kidding. One thing with a sharp knife, if you do cut yourself, you'll get a cleaner cut and it'll fold back over rather than with a dull knife, because you'll get a honking wide cut and it's not good. Same thing with a cucumber. These are Persian cucumbers I grow in my garden in sunny Poplar Grove. We're going to do now is cut a tomato, and this is a tomato shark, or I use it for strawberries too. You just stick it in, that's all you waste. Nothing, honey. So, again, flat, some nice slices for your sandwich. When you get down to the end, save that for something else, for dicing salsa. Alright, now the other thing we're going to do is cutting an onion. Now this, I'm using a red onion so I can show you the inside. You see these lines? These are called ribs, just like in a human being. So we want to take the skin off. Put the onion peels on the side. Now you see these ribs, you want to follow them. You start on an angle. You go about 3/4 the way through. So it's almost like petals, like if you're making one of those onion things they have at all the restaurants. You hold your hands, keep steady. And when you get down to what you call is a nub, put that on the side, dice it up later, but you can see every piece is perfect. Almost. Same thing goes with a carrot. You don't want to be rolling around. So you put the knife on one side, hand on top for safety. Make an alligator. Or, so now you take the carrot. If you're going to make dices, nice dice for soup or whatever you want to make. If you want to just slice, the bottom line is keeping your hand like this and pulling your fingers towards your thumb and resetting like a grandfather clock. Never wipe a knife this way, like that. Don't ever do it. Always from the back. And I think that's pretty much it. Just a short idea of how to be safe with knives, how to handle vegetables, and thank you for joining me. I'm Chef Carl, the Food Whisperer. Have a great day and join us for other episodes.